What they don't tell you about Astrazeneca vaccine. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share. A slew of countries decided to halt or delay their rollout of the Astrazeneca COVID-19 vaccine over the past week. The country's actions are related to several reports of people who developed blood clots after receiving the shots. But major health organizations say there is likely no link between the vaccine and these health issues, and the benefits of getting vaccinated still outweigh the risks. Last week, health authorities in Denmark announced on Twitter that the country would be pausing vaccinations with the Astrazeneca vaccine for 2 weeks due to reports about blood clots. And countries such as Ireland, the Netherlands, Norway, France, Thailand, Indonesia, Bulgaria, Estonia, Lithuania, Austria, and Latvia also said they would be holding off while authorities investigate the issue. As of this writing, Germany is the latest country to announce it will hold off out of an abundance of caution, Reuters reports. The Astrazeneca vaccine, which was developed with a team at Oxford University and hasn't been authorized yet in the US, uses an inactivated version of an adenovirus to create a protective immune response in the body. It hasn't been through the Food and Drug Administration's emergency use authorization process yet, but in clinical trials the vaccine shows promise in preventing symptomatic COVID-19 infections, hospitalizations, and deaths. There's also some evidence to suggest it can help prevent transmission of the virus. But after reports that people developed blood clots, including one person who died in Denmark, some authorities felt it was necessary to pause and investigate as a precaution. Blood clots are gel-like clumps of blood that can form in your veins, the Mayo Clinic says. They can lead to conditions such as deep vein thrombosis, pulmonary embolism, and strokes. To investigate a possible link, researchers will need to compare the amount of people who developed blood clots after receiving the vaccine to the normal rate of people who developed blood clots without the vaccine. So far, preliminary data from the European Medicines Agency, EMA, Vigilance program does not suggest there is a causal relationship between the vaccine and blood clots, the EMA said in a recent statement, meaning that the vaccine is not likely to have directly caused the clots. Furthermore, the EMA and the World Health Organization, WHO, say that it's okay to keep giving people the vaccine while they are continuing to monitor for blood clots. There is currently no indication that vaccination has caused these conditions, which are not listed as side effects with this vaccine, the EMA said. The number of thromboembolic events, blood clots, in vaccinated people is no higher than the number seen in the general population. As of March 10, 2021, 30 cases of thromboembolic events had been reported among close to 5 million people vaccinated with COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca in the European Economic Area. Ultimately, the EMA's Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee concluded that there is currently no indication that vaccination has caused these conditions, which are not listed as side effects with this vaccine. Out of 17 million people vaccinated in the UK and EU, there have been 15 cases of deep vein thrombosis and 22 cases of pulmonary embolism. This is much lower than would be expected to occur naturally in a general population of this size and is similar across other licensed COVID-19 vaccines, AstraZeneca said in a statement. Data from AstraZeneca's clinical trials, which involved more than 60,000 people, also did not suggest a link between the vaccine and blood clots, the company said. It's not clear when countries will decide they have sufficient evidence to resume the AstraZeneca vaccinations. Thankfully, at this point, many countries have multiple COVID-19 vaccine options available, including the Pfizer/BioNTech and Moderna mRNA vaccines as well as the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. But that's certainly not true everywhere. Considering just how crucial these vaccines are in our efforts to stop the spread of COVID-19, having more options is definitely better. Possible side effects. Like all medicines, this vaccine can cause side effects, although not everybody gets them. In clinical studies with the vaccine, most side effects were mild to moderate in nature and resolved within a few days, with some still present a week after vaccination. If side effects such as pain and/or fever are troublesome, medicines containing paracetamol can be taken. Side effects that occurred during clinical trials with COVID-19 vaccine AstraZeneca were as follows. Very common side effects: tenderness, pain, warmth, itching or bruising where the injection is given. Generally feeling unwell, feeling tired, fatigue, chills or feeling feverish, headache, feeling sick, nausea, joint pain or muscle ache, common, may affect up to 1 in 10 people. Swelling, redness or a lump at the injection site, fever, being sick, vomiting, or diarrhea. Flu-like symptoms, such as high temperature, sore throat, runny nose, cough and chills, may affect up to 1 in 100 people. Feeling dizzy, decreased appetite, abdominal pain, enlarged lymph nodes, excessive sweating, itchy skin or rash. Reporting of side effects. If you get any side effects, talk to your doctor, pharmacist or nurse. This includes any possible side effects not listed in this leaflet. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share.